In lecture number 6, we are going to learn more about decision-making in organizations. By the end of this lecture, you're going to want to be able to explain the factors that influence perception, describe the errors that are possible when making attributions, explain the rational model of decision-making, describe the errors possible when making decisions, and contrast the 3 ethical decision criteria. Perception is a process that all of us use to organize and interpret all of the sensory information that we come into contact with every second of every day. This process helps us give meaning to our environment and understand it. Perception is important to the study of organizational behavior because people's perception is, this process is important to organizational psychologists because our behaviors, attitudes, and feelings are impacted by our perceptions. You may be familiar with the phrase, perception is reality. Your perception of a situation could be very different from my perception of the exact same situation. There are many factors that shape our perceptions, and sometimes these factors distort our perceptions. Factors in the perceiver, such as their past experiences and their expectations. Factors in the situation itself, such as time, the task, or the social setting. Factors in the target, such as novelty, motion, sounds. Loud people, for example, are more likely to be noticed in a group than quiet people. With all of these different factors playing a role in how we perceive our environment, it should be no surprise that any 2 people can see the same reality differently.